Welcome back to Say What Official. We're thrilled to have you join us again for more exciting quizzes and brain-teasing trivia. So, are you ready to test your knowledge? Let's dive right in.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Yes, SpongeBob SquarePants.
In Tom and Jerry, who is the cat?
Correct, Tom.
What color is Scooby-Doo's collar?
Right, blue.
Who is Bugs Bunny's rival?
Yes, Elmer Fudd.
What is the name of Shrek's donkey friend?
You got it, Donkey.
Who says "What's up, Doc"?
Correct, Bugs Bunny.
Which cartoon features Bart and Homer?
Yes, The Simpsons.
In Pokemon, who is Pikachu's trainer?
Right, Ash Ketchum.
Which superhero has a sidekick named Robin?
Correct, Batman.
Who is the little blue creature's leader in the Smurfs?
Yes, Papa Smurf.
In Looney Tunes, who chases the Roadrunner?
You got it, Wile E. Coyote.
What is the name of SpongeBob's boss?
Right, Mr. Krabs.
Who is Mickey Mouse's girlfriend?
Yes, Minnie Mouse.
In Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, who is the leader?
Correct, Leonardo.
What is Dora's monkey friend's name?
Right, Boots.
Which cartoon character eats spinach for strength?
Yes, Popeye.
Who lives in Jellystone Park?
Correct, Yogi Bear.
In Frozen, what is the snowman's name?
Right, Olaf.
Which cartoon features characters Tom, Dick, and Harry?
Yes, Ogie and the Cockroaches.
In Dragon Ball Z, who is Goku's rival?
You got it, Vegeta.
Which cartoon features a yellow canary chased by Sylvester?
Correct, Tweety Bird.
In Finding Nemo, what type of fish is Nemo?
Yes, clownfish.
What is the name of the cowboy in Toy Story?
Right, Woody.
Which cartoon dog solves mysteries with his friends?
Correct, Scooby-Doo.
Who is the starfish in SpongeBob SquarePants?
Yes, Patrick Star.
What kind of animal is Sonic?
Right, hedgehog.
In Zootopia, what animal is Judy Hopps?
Yes, rabbit.
Who is Lightning McQueen's best friend in Cars?
Correct, Mater.
What is Simba's father's name in The Lion King?
You got it, Mufasa.
Who is the flying elephant in Disney cartoons?
Yes, Dumbo.
What is the name of the caveman in the Flintstones?
Correct, Fred Flintstone.
Which cartoon has a pink dog who gets scared easily?
Right, Courage.
In Aladdin, what is the name of the princess?
Yes, Jasmine.
Which Pixar movie features emotions as characters?
Correct, Inside Out.
What is Elsa's sister's name in Frozen?
Right, Anna.
Who is the main character in Kung Fu Panda?
Yes, Po.
In Moana, who is the demigod?
Correct, Maui.
What is the crab's name in The Little Mermaid?
Right, Sebastian.
Which cartoon has characters named Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup?
Yes, the Powerpuff Girls.
In Finding Dory, what is Dory's disability?
Correct, memory loss.
Please subscribe and we will see you next time. Take care.